Hey bestie, welcome or welcome back to the channel by me. This video I'm showing you how to make this starfish granny square. Now by you need 1, 2, 3, 4 color rope, but you know got this 4 color, you can just use him any color. We use this 4 blue and just slow. Make him look as solwara na. Starfish is na melem, so suppose you know got blue rope, you can use him all na color. Still never look alright, or you can make him starfish, now 1 blue round him. And then next 2 player use him all narap color. But then sa mitok tasol suppose you like him and look awesome. Starfish tapla solwara. You make his starfish blue na all outside color ya. You choose him triple shade of blue na use him. Okay, so starfish blue ya, you don't need to make him yellow too. You can use any color. You can make it blue or pink or one color. Now me show you play, but me use him yellow can. But then sa mitok sabe you can make him any color. We make one blue starfish starfish. So just show you play. You can make it any color starfish. Okay, so me talk 4 color. So yellow but me use yellow starfish. Then by me use him 2 blue. Also water na by me use him gray or brown. Maybe gray, okay. But me use gray also number 3 color blue me. But me talk, you know what all this color, you can use any color. I must have option. Suppose you make him look as a sol water. Okay, so apart this little rope, we need one needle blue item and tail blue. All this little end tail, time you finish your work. Now hook can by me use him 3.75 millimeter hook. But you need 1 plus this is 2. Now stitch marker. Okay, so by me start, let me make starfish and a quick one. By me make him and then make him square on top, yeah, and but take it time to click. So by me explain him. So suppose you new plan, you start him to crochet, but me explain him now. You can pick him up. You start him on the starfish, yeah. But you start making one magic ring past them. And this is how me make a magic ring. Hold it tail the rope stop. Me round your finger. Come at the front, have him cross over, yeah. Me hold one finger stop. Now rouse this la. Me round your finger, yeah. Rouse come outside. Then see hook blow me, put him through, grab him rope, pull him underneath, now come on top. And then chain him 1. So a magic ring blow me. Now by chain him 6 plus chains. So this line actually make a magic ring, yeah. You don't have count him as part plus a chain. 6 plus chain, yeah. So put the hook on the rope, pull him through, and 1 plus chain. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 plus chain do finish now. Okay. First plus chain here. But you skip him. 1 second chain. Slip stitch. First plus chain here, you skip him 1 second chain now, but you make 1 plus slip stitch. So put the hook through the second plus chain, round your rope, pull him through, pull him come on top, and then pull him through the loop, stop the hook here, and how you make a slip stitch. Now next plus stitch here, and 1 plus single crochet, but you making 1 chain. Next chain do you, yeah. So next stitch and single crochet stitch. Now next stitch by making 1 plus half a double crochet stitch. So round your hook rope, put him through the chain, round and pull it come on top. You got triple loop hook here. You round him, pull him through the triple. And 1 plus half a double crochet. Now next chain 2 by making 1 plus half a double can. So I'm second plus half a double crochet stitch. Now last for chain blue here by making 1 plus double. So by look also 1 plus double, I'm just chain we make him na start him. Magic ring blue, so by you not make a stitch concert le. So make it double crochet concert lo. Next chain here. or last flat chain lo disla 6 pla you chain him lo start there, then slip stitch go back and inside the magic ring. Now you chain him 6 pla again. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Repeat it one is until you make it here, yeah. Skipping first pla chain, go to second, make it 1 plus single crochet. Sorry, make it 1 plus slip stitch. Then go to next chain, make it 1 plus single crochet. Next chain, 1 plus half a double crochet. Next chain, 1 plus half a double crochet again. And now last pla chain, 1 plus double crochet. Then slip stitch go back and inside the magic ring. Chain him 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now repeat. By repeating again. So first pla chain you skip him, go inside the second chain, and by you make a slip stitch. Now make a slip stitch, and by you put the hook through the chain here, grab him up, pull him through the chain, then pull him through the loop. Mean stop first until the hook here, and slip stitch. Next chain now, by make a single crochet. So make a single crochet, by put the hook through the chain, grab him up, pull him come on top, by you got 2 pla loop until the hook stop here, by round the hook up, pull him through the 2 pla one there. So I'm single crochet. Now next, by you make 1 pla half a double crochet. So round the hook up, put him through the chain here, round him up, pull him through, pull him come on top, by you got 3 pla loop the hook, by you round the hook up, now pull him through, got a 3 pla one there. So I'm how to make half a double crochet, by make 1 pla more half a double crochet the next chain. Now last pla chain do here, by you make double crochet. Now make a double crochet, you round the hook up, put him through the chain here, last pla chain, round the hook up, pull him come on top, by you got 3 pla loop the hook, one kind of say half a double crochet, but the double crochet now, by round the hook up, pull him through the 2 pla tasol past them. 1 pla was stop, so you pull him through the 2 pla now, and we'll make him 1 come up 2 again. So now you got 2 pla loop the hook, you go back and round the hook, pull him through. Then you how to make a double crochet. So 1 2 3 pla stop, you make him same plus something here. Now by you make another pla 2 pla more. So slip stitch go back in the magic ring, chain him 6. Now repeat 1 2 3 4 5 6. So because starfish stems I got 5 pla leg, but you're making 5 pla. So I'm 1 2 3 4 now. Needing 1 pla last pla 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Skipping first, slip stitch the second the chain, single crochet next chain, half a double next chain, half a double next chain, and double crochet last chain. Then slip stitch can go back and inside the ring, magic ring ya. Now by you chaining 1, cut it off play you. Okay, and fish, believe me, I'm done now. You pull him end tail below magic ring ya. You pull him, never close him. So I'm starfish, believe me, I'm come up. Now by me making him go come up square or granny square. So before you make him and by me tie him, this a 2 pla end. Me tight him so that I'm gonna come out na loose. Bien ba me samapim na item. Okay, so now you grab him first properly around him. So I think when we use the Displa, do I have a center pole? There we go. Nice. Okay, now when we make him second color content, I make him square shape. By me square him off Starfish play me. So you make a slip knot play yeah. By you start him lot tip the Starfish play yeah. You think if you make him slip stitch, single, half, half, and a double, yeah. So you make him Starfish blue, yeah, you think him. You make him slip stitch, or you skip him one plus chain, make it slip stitch, single, half, half, and a double, yeah. So suppose you found which stitch look on side. You count him from top and come on top, so you do okay. This là double crochet stitch, yeah. This là one plus half a double. This là one plus half a double crochet stitch. This là single crochet stitch, yeah. So this là slip stitch for me make him, yeah. Now, by you make him second color, yeah, by you attach him to this slip stitch. But you don't have go through lot two plus side plus stitch one time. Also normal way to make stitch, yeah. And one plus next stitch by you go one plus. By you walk the back side tasol. Also top back loop only, yeah, and by me walk also. So stitch will you stop also, yeah. And front the back side blame me. But you just go inside the back side, tasol na walk. But this la fish, oh sorry, this la hand blow fish. This la hand so okay tayo. Maybe make stitches the back loop. So you count him. I'm double crochet, yeah, and one plus half, single, slip stitch, and this last. So by you start attach him, no slip stitch, yeah. Now, slip knot blue you make him, yeah. You hold him tail blame, back side one plus hand blow this last Starfish, yeah. Hold him same step now. You put the hook through the loop, then you put him through the slip stitch blue, yeah. But thing one side tasol. So you go through one side of same. You hold him and tail, hold him at the back side stop, so I'm gonna plus. Round your rope you, pull him through come on top. But you got two loop hook now. Round rope hook, pull him through the two one time. So now I'm single crochet stitch you. Okay, you go to the next stitch, by making one plus single crochet two, but then one side tasol. So go to one side blame, make it one plus single crochet. Now next lamp by making one plus half a double crochet, loop back loop only. So half a double crochet. Now by go to next stitch blue, yeah, make it one plus double crochet, loop back side loop. Now make walk over lo and tail lo height him as I go. So I'm double crochet. Now by making one plus treble crochet, lo this la last stitch, yeah. Back loop lo am. So lo make a treble crochet. By running hook lo rod two plus time. So 1, 2. Now put in through the back loop. Running rope pull him come on top. By you should get 4 plus loop until the hook. By running hook lo rope pull him through the 2 plus past them. By you remain on the 3. You running hook lo rope pull him through the next 2 plus. By you got final 2 plus step, yeah. You running hook lo rope pull him through. Okay, so last first stitch you make it treble. Now let's join him. This layer, by you going to tip blow. Hand blow fish you make him, you think him slip stitch stop. Now this one plus chain, first plus chain you may skip him na slip stitch conceal chain 2, yeah. By slip stitch conceal. So suppose you confuse which one Displa chain, you count them in reverse. So Displa you double crochet you make him, yeah. The first round you make him and blue fish, yeah. So last flow one double crochet. You count them in reverse now because come down line you make him, yeah. Slip stitch, single, half, double. So you count them in reverse. Suppose you confuse which stitch lo slip stitch concept. You count him double crochet Displa stitch. So next two plus stitch below you. And half a double, so one. So that means next stitch below you and slash single crochet stitch. And then on top like him, yeah, and slip stitch, yeah. So this lick loop stop nothing yet, yeah. But okay, so this line must la chain one, me skipping first round, yeah. Slip stitch la second la chain, yeah. So this la chain, yeah. One you skip him like, yeah, by slip stitch concept now this la round you make you want the blue come, by slip stitch concept la chain one. So make a slip stitch below you. And now by go single. And now by go slip stitch you make him, yeah. The first round, yeah. Slip stitch below make a fish, yeah. And by you start him single crochet this last stitch. Then one plus single crochet the next stitch. Nothing him by you walk on back side loop tasol. So one plus single, two plus single now. Then next stitch here by making one plus half a double concert. Loop back loop. Next lamp, one plus double crochet loop back loop. And the last flow one here and treble, yeah. So rounding hook below rope two plus time. Put him through. Oops. Put him through. Pull him come on top. I'm loose again. Make a treble crochet below you. Now we slip stitch conceal top below Starfish, yeah. Then single, half a double, a treble next. Then slip stitch conceal top next. Hand fish, yeah. Then single, back loop, single back loop, half a double back loop, double back loop, and a treble. So you make a Starfish blue finish. You start them single on top, narap single can, narap half a double, then double crochet, a treble crochet, then slip stitch concerlo. You make a last treble now. By slip stitch contarlo. First plus single crochet you make him, yeah. But by you make him put the hook through the top, the Starfish here past them. Before you make a slip stitch blue concerlo this la. First plus single crochet, yeah. Yeah. So after you slip stitch now, or you chain in one, make one plus single crochet the same plus stitch you slip stitch, yeah. kami puti stitch makablo mi lo dis lahap so mi mekim. So I'm stitch here stop na dis I'm slip stitch mi mekim. So just so you sabi which is which, you mekim. Come here, make sure you must look sabi which one I'm first stitch blue and which one I'm slip stitch so that you don't make extra stitch na. Ba pattern ba foul. Then by you single crochet the next 4 plus stitches too. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then by you should come up below this slip stitch you make in the top below face here. So this lahat by you making 2 plus single crochet gun set le. So and 1 plus single, then go back again. Same up, make 1 plus single again. So and 2 plus. Then by making 1 plus single crochet the next 5 plus stitches. 1, 1. So and 1 plus here. And 2. And 5. Now by you come up the next slip stitch here. By make it 2 plus single, going to set the same lahap. Then repeating 1 plus single crochet the next 5 plus stitches. Okay, so after the last single crochet below this la 5 flyer, but you got 1 plus last slip stitch stab. But you make it 2 plus single crochet go set here. And then slip stitch go set the first plus single crochet here. Chaining 1, make it 1 plus single crochet, the same plus stitch, you slip stitch now tasol here. Then single crochet the next 2 plus stitches too. 1 plus single crochet. This 1, 2. Now next one, by making 2 plus single crochet the same plus stitch. So 1, go back in the same hop, 2. Now by making single crochet 1, 1 the next 6 plus stitches. So and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now next stitch here by making 2 plus single, bunch the same plus stitch. 1, 2, and then repeat 1 plus single the next 6 plus stitches. 1, 2, then 2 plus single. So by repeating 2 plus single, making the same plus stitch, and then 1 plus single the next 6 plus stitches, then making 2 plus can, and then repeat rounding. So last but 2 double single blue here, but you should got 1, 2, 3 plus stitches left. Now but you make a slip stitch blue because you started on the 3 plus side and make him 2 double here. So now but you got 3 plus. So suppose you look him extra all kind of stitch lo him and this way you make a slip stitch na chain 1 here and stop to so. Doksawa chalo Sam. Just in case you losing thing, now you make him extra stitches kung set now and ba pattern blue. Starfish blue and banana come up. This way I'm slip stitch na chain 1 stop so we not make a stitch. But we go straight la chain single stitch blue me but make 1 plus slip stitch lo M. If I'm curve na come up so la po kind of some now can be see depend lo how you hold your rope na make him tight and kind of some but once you make him go come up square now you can flatten him out and ba shape lang ba come up so no can worry lo this la part. Then ba me chaining 1 na cut the rope lo me because ba me send a color suppose you don't have to send a color you can just continue from here but ba me send a color so we put the stitch makalo have me slip stitch lang now tasol ya. Cut the rope. Now we use him. Narap the blue can. Now by you start on the 1 plus slip knot. Now by you may make it 1 plus sending double crochet 2. And kind of say you may make him standing single crochet. Yeah. Now we may make him standing double crochet. So pick him any stitch or single crochet stitch blue yeah. Holy tail blow rope blue yeah. Second color yeah. Gontal back side of same. Okay, so suppose you make him come with this path. You can make him 2 plus side. Now make it 1 plus click. Back blue put the kambang okay na sa. Ang sa medyo stock sa website. Which sem ba so yung nanarap na video tool. Pa mi puti la YouTube so you can check him out suppose. You think tila make him na salim. Or you SME la salim or you want play na SME to na ila make him na salim. Ba make it dislaya na. Ang baka mapos every click. Back blue puti kambang or buhay. Where is the I have made 1. But I cannot see it anywhere. Let me go find him quick if I can find it. Guess let me find him. And 1 plan we make him stop yeah. Not a two a different style click but and 1 kind something short. By making that handle blame yeah. Suppose you saling online by na. Bahanga mapim lo. Back blow or bilum blow. But this is what I see. This let me make him blow putim. Airport blow me. This la 1 plum is a put it this la yeah. So this la me make him blow. Put him all. Earpod blow. Me this la 1 plus this la yeah. And another plum is a put it this la. But me talk suppose you know this la you can just make in a salim blow. Online put the kambang or like unpause lo. Or like beginning salim lo baby lainim all holim bilum lo. Holim bilum or karim bilum time like at make up like pause seven or holim end all blem. Put it like 10 or 20 to have gamanimo inside lo. Especially little girls, you know, starting all early, making back blood, but that's just an idea. Which me talk about making tuna put it lo. YouTube lo miss so. Okay, so last blah brown you making finish yeah. So YouTube too by making a putim so you can check him out. I have color page blow me check your link on top yeah. Check him out. If me not make him hurry up, comment na to you me like it or something. If you purposely watch the video and you got think it up, make it or something. Okay. So after you make it this last blah. Slip stitch nakateme me putim this la stitch makablo me. Now but you see next color blue you. Okay, so before you continue, you count him last 4 stitches blue you should got 40 plus stitches. So just to make sure also, because sometimes misal those ting lo make it increase or kind of same along the way and can come up. So make sure you count him and with this round him you should got 40 plus. Okay, so now by start him next round me round 1, 2, 3, 4, so round 5. Now by you make 1 plus standing single crochet. Sorry, standing double crochet. So kind of say you make him single crochet lo fish na round him count up, yeah. Standing single crochet, yeah. This time by me make him double crochet. So one kind you make a slip knot blue, lower up, and then and tail blue, by put your backside blue walk blue, and then hold him go down on top finger, ring finger or number finger, hold him stop so that I'm gonna have loose setting, and then put the hook blue through a slip knot. Me put it layer because me la walk over this and tail. So you hold your end tail, then you block the backside stop on top finger, hook blue, put him through the slip knot you make him here. Now by rounding hook, lower blue past them before you put him through the stitch. So you round him now. Okay, you pick any stitch, any single crochet stitch, put the hook through, round him rock pull him come on top. Now by you should got triple loop on the hook, now by make him double crochet blue. So pull him through the tupla past there, then pull him through the next tupla. Okay, so me rouse him can I him. You make a slip knot blue. It's like end tail blue. You put the backside blue walk blue. Now you hold him one time, ring finger or middle finger blue, whichever, or pointer. I'm comfortable you hold him rope stop, now by walk. So now by picking any stitch, now make it as next stitch blue concept. So me was start close to this la. And tail, you put the back side, hold him stop on the finger blue now. You put the hook blue concept lo, slip knot. Now before you put the hook concept lo, stitch by you round him past them. Now because you hold him and tail on the finger blue stop and back him, make your rope tight now easily you round him hook blue rope. So you round him hook rope, then put it on stitch, round him hook, pull him come on top. By you got triple loop until the hook, yeah. Now by round him pull him through the tupla past them, then round him pull him through the tupla. So how to make it standing double crochet, yeah. Okay, so by you make him tupla more double crochet, go the same plus stitch. So including this lano and 3. So and 1, 2. By you chain him 2, then by you chain him 2, 1, 2, make him narapla triple double crochet con cello simple stitch. So 1, 2, and 3. Then we make him 1 double crochet the next 9 stitches, single one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then next stitch here, by repeat the same plus something here. Triple double crochet, the same stitch. So I'm 1, 2, 3, chain him 2, 1, 2, then make him triple double crochet the same plus stitch space. So 1, 2, 3. Now by making 1 plus double crochet the next 9 plus stitches again. 1, 8, 9. You can suppose me make him too fast. You got one play YouTube settings look on here, but you can slow him down so you got low speed. You look at him stop low 1 here, you can put him within 0.5 or 0.25 here. Now remember slow him go down. Okay, so 9 plus single double crochet after the 9th one now. Next line yeah, we make it this like triple double yeah. So you make it 1 plus finish here, now 1 plus now we make it 1 plus this la. So I'm 1 plus corner, 1 plus corner, 1 plus corner, so next corner yeah below here. So making triple double crochet yeah, 1, 2, 3, chain him 2, 1, 2, making a triple double crochet again the same plus stitch, then double crochet 9 plus stitch across again. So I'm 1, 2, oops, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 9. Triple double crochet, 1, 2, 3, then chain him 2 plus, make him triple double crochet, go back the same stitch. Robert yeah. Go. Oh my gosh. Alright. How did I get it this way? Goodness. Finally. Okay, so after la chain 2, making a triple, go into the same plus stitch. So after like this la triple now you should got 9 plus stitches left. So you may count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We make it 1, 1. Double crochet each one across. Now after the last one, you slip stitch conceal. First plus stitch, standing stitch here. So how you saw which one first? Chain 2 stop here, you count them. 3, 2, 1, and stop here. So slip stitch. Maybe make it 1 plum more round. Because I'm not square good yet. Okay, so after you slip stitch, suppose you send the color and by same you behind, but suppose you continue on the same color. Suppose you use the same color and by me continue. So chain in 3 after you slip stitch here. 1, 2, 3, and then Displa and by continue same chain this time. Sorry, stitch. Now Displa by continue as a stitch. Then make you 1 double crochet the next stitch too. Now last stitch here, by you skip him and just make it 2 double crochet go cello. Chain 2 space here. Chain him 2, 1, 2, making a 2 double crochet go back in the same space. 2, and now by you skip him first plus stitch here, kind of say you make it opposite side here. First plus stitch, skip him. I'll call a second one now. We make a double crochet from that one, second one, and then 4, 13 plus stitches. So second one, you count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, yeah, and we make him 1 plus 1 plus double crochet all. So skipping 1, make it 1 plus double crochet. Twelve, 13. Then make him 2 plus double crochet on cello next chain 2 space here. 1, 2, chain him 2, making a 2 plus again. So let me show you. Corner blue, square blue, and balukosen. Now suppose you less low. Like him got little space now, you can just make him instead of 13, yeah, you think 1, 1 on each side. So I'm come 15. So now you will make him 15 plus single double crochet low. 15 plus stitches. Now melo la chain 2 where you make him 2 plus double, chain 2, 2 plus double. Okay, so option suppose you continue to make him use the same color and by make us come here, make him chain 2, 2 plus double, chain 2, 2 plus double, repeat him. One is until you make it here, yeah. Come up the next chain 2 space. Now by you repeat him come last flow one, yeah, but you make a chain 2 blue and remaining stitches, yeah. But you should cut because you make it 2 plus finish here. But you should cut 11 plus here. So let me explain him. So pamisa you plug go, but now me rausin so him suppose you la senesi color. Which me ba senesi color so me rausin can. Now me go back and continue from last stitch you me slip stitch. Na cut it up below me so. Make a slip stitch below me. Chain 1, cut it up. Because when we send a color, you send a color, you can make it more same too. I'm not up option, and me same job. If you know got color, lo send it same. Okay, so by me use same. Where is that? gray. But me using gray. Lo Displa sen si color and maybe starting one to standing stitch too. So make you 1 plus slip knot. And then by me attach him lo chain 2 space. So and tail hold him backside lo 1 plus lo chain 2 space where you got 4 player anyone is fine. You put the end tail backside lo slap. Hold his slip knot blue, yeah. Put the hook through the M. By me make one kind also you may make him this around, yeah. By me start him also. So hook through the slip knot, round him the rope, and then put him through the chain 2. Round him, pull him come on top. Triple loop until the hook, yeah. Round him, pull him through the 2 pla past them. Then round him, pull him through the next 2 pla. So and one for double crochet, but you make a second one again. Then chain him 2. Go back in the same chain 2 space. Now make another 2 pla again. 1, 2. Now by you skip him first plus stitch, make it 1 pla double crochet low next 13 plus stitches. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. But you got 1 pla stay 1 pla stitch, me talk stitch, not chain 1 time, me talk stain, my goodness. But you got 1 plus stitch stop here, but you skip it. Now make it 2 pla double crochet, lo chain 2 space, chain him 2, now make another 2 pla again, lo chain 2 space, yeah. Wait. Oops, me lost until I chain him 2 pla. How could I? And then skip him next stitch, first plus stitch, yeah. And behind click too, so you skip him, go to second one, yeah. Make it 1 pla, 2 pla, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Itok pinisi sapos na part fast mas. Go to YouTube settings lo site, yeah. Now change the speed, go down 0.5 0.25 or 0.5. I think this is 13. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13. Yep. Then chain 2 spaces. If you make it tupla double, chain in tupla, making tupla chain, and make it tupla double crochet can go back and gel. Chain 2 spaces. Displa round. Then repeat. So I'm last around now, and I'm just walking fast 1 to 1, and finishing 1 the yupla. 1, 2, 11, 12, 13. So after the last 13, you let the side come. By you slip stitch on the first standing stitch you make him. Chain 1, cut it up blue. Granny square blue, I'm ready. You can item all and tails, block him, granny square blue. Otherwise, this is it. Granny Starfish, granny square blue, I'm ready. Thank you for watching. Video for me, suppose you subscribe and help him channel for me. We will keep the next video. Thank you for watch.